In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save any file from iCloud Drive storage directly to your iPhone internal storage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Files app. After that, we can tap right here all the time until we get to the Browse folder. This is kind of a home page for the Files app, and from here we can easily enter our iCloud Drive. Here I got some file examples, and as you can see, now these two files are not actually downloaded to my iPhone storage. It indicates us with that cloud icon, and the first way how we can download these files to our iPhone is just tap at the cloud icon next to it, and it will immediately start downloading this file. That particular file is a PDF. Once it is downloaded, it will open up just like that, and as you can see, now this cloud icon is gone. So now it is already downloaded to my iPhone storage. However, we can, let's say, create a copy of this file to the folder which is called On My iPhone. We can easily do so if we long press at a file, and then we can just hit add move. After that, we can head over to any directory. Now I'm at On My iPhone directory, and now I can just create a copy here by tapping right here. So now this file has just been saved to that directory. Here it is. And also from here, if we just wanna, let's say, share a file with someone using any method, we can easily long press at a file, and after we hit add share, and after we choose the way we would like to use to share it with someone, let's say I'm gonna save it to Telegram saved messages, I can just tap right here, and what that will do, that will download this file to my iPhone, and once it is downloaded, we can hit right here at send button to share it with any user we've selected. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.